Welcome to our villa. Here's how we lock the door. Lock is upwards, unlock downwards.
Wow, okay. Got it.
So please keep your doors closed at all times.
Okay.
We will be providing you disposable slippers.
Okay.
You may use the wooden slippers for taking photos. We also prepared complimentary tea and Japanese snacks for you. So this is the living area of Miss Pascual. This way to the bedroom. So we have water set up for you here, extra trash bin, and for your valuables.
Okay.
We also have a small pocket garden right here with a separate sliding door, Mr. and Miss Pascual, which you may view from the back. Straight to the back. So for the bathroom, Mr. and Miss Pascual, towels are provided, hair dryer, dental and vanity kits, robes, and the one that's inside the white dispensers, you may use it as shampoo and shower gel.
Wow, pocket garden, huh? And we have kimono?
Both of the TVs connected to our Netflix.
Oh.
For your dinner, Mr. and Miss Pascual, sorry, your dinner will be served at 7 o'clock, and I believe Miss Rita and Sir Ken will be joining you. For your dinner, may we know if you prefer beef or gindera fish for your main course tonight at 7 o'clock?
Of course, steak. Beef.
Okay, beef
Yeah.
to sukiyaki cube. We will also be serving steak on top of your sukiyaki cube.
Ah, yeah. So, gindara is
Gindara
better.
is better.
Gindera for
Gindara.
you. Okay. And then for your breakfast, salmon or mackerel?
Salmon.
So your breakfast will be served at 9 or 10?
Can we have one salmon and one?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, one of each.
9 a.m. or 10 a.m.? What time do you prefer?
9.
9
9.
a.m. Okay. Thank you. So for your dinner tonight, 2 gindera. Breakfast tomorrow, salmon and mackerel.
Yeah.
Enjoy your stay, Mr. and Miss Pascual.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Arigatou
Please message me.
gozaimashita.
Please message me if you need anything.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.